Are you ready to uncover the wealth secrets that could change your life? Welcome to Lux King, where we dive deep into the world of finance, revealing the strategies that can make or break your portfolio. Today, we're taking a page out of Robert Kiyosaki's playbook to decode the stock market and discover how the principles of the best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad can be your guide to financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, join us as we reveal the methods that Robert Kiyosaki himself uses to navigate the complex waters of the stock market. Get ready to unlock the wealth secrets and strategies designed to elevate your investment game. What if you could break free from the chains of financial uncertainty and step into a life of financial freedom? Imagine a life where the stresses of bills, debt, and living paycheck to paycheck are a distant memory. A life where you control your destiny rather than being at the mercy of your employer or the economy. This is the elusive concept of financial freedom. For many, this concept feels like a mirage, always just out of reach. The challenge to attain such freedom can be daunting, but here's the provocation. What if we told you that this isn't just a pipe dream? That financial freedom is not only achievable but can be mastered? This is not a tale of a silver spoon or a story of a lottery winner. This is the journey of a man who started with nothing more than a dream and a burning desire to achieve it. A man who faced the same financial struggles that many of us face, yet managed to turn the tides in his favor. A man who transformed his financial destiny and in the process inspired millions around the world to do the same. Robert Kiyosaki is an entrepreneur, educator, and investor, so buckle up. It's time to embark on a journey that could change your financial future. As we delve into the world of a man who mastered the game of financial freedom, Robert Kiyosaki, let's learn, let's grow, and let's break free from the chains of financial uncertainty. Born to a middle-class family in 1947, Robert Kiyosaki's journey towards financial independence was anything but ordinary. The son of a hard-working educator, Kiyosaki's upbringing was steeped in the belief that education was the key to success. However, it was this very notion that Kiyosaki would challenge in his later life. Young Kiyosaki was an eager learner, absorbing lessons not only from school but also from his rich dad, his friend's father, who introduced him to the world of business and investing. His early education was marked by a traditional setup, a high school diploma, followed by a college degree. Yet the more he learned, the more he realized that the traditional path was not for him. Fresh out of college, Kiyosaki entered the workforce. He landed a high-paying job and seemed to be on track for a comfortable life. But beneath the surface, dissatisfaction was brewing. Kiyosaki was earning well, but he was not building wealth. He was working for money, but he dreamed of making money work for him. With this realization, he made a daring decision. He left his high-paying job, a decision that many would see as a step back. But for Kiyosaki, it was a leap forward. He was venturing into the uncharted territories of entrepreneurship and investing. It was a risk, yes, but as he would later teach, risk is a necessary part of wealth creation. Kiyosaki embarked on his new journey with nothing but a burning desire to achieve financial freedom and an unshakable belief in his ability to learn and adapt. His new path was fraught with challenges, but he did not falter. He learned from his mistakes, adjusted his strategies, and kept moving forward. And thus began Kiyosaki's quest for financial freedom. His journey was not a straight path, it was a winding road filled with obstacles and setbacks. But with each step, he moved closer to his goal, proving that the path to wealth is not about how much money you earn, but how well you manage it. Robert Kiyosaki saw in the stock market not a gamble, but a gateway to wealth. This mindset, this approach to the financial world, is what set him apart from the crowd. Kiyosaki began his journey in the stock market at the age of 25. He didn't have a silver spoon nor a golden parachute. He was armed with nothing but a deep-seated belief in his own potential and an unyielding determination to succeed. He started with small investments, learning the ropes, understanding the nuances, the ebb and flow of the market. His initial strategy was simple: buy low, sell high. But as he progressed, he realized that the stock market was not just a place for transactions. It was a field for strategy, a platform for innovation and a stage for creativity. He started to see the market as a giant chessboard, where every move mattered and every decision had a ripple effect. Kiyosaki's journey wasn't always smooth. He tasted the bitter pill of failure several times. There were investments that didn't pan out, stocks that plummeted, and opportunities that slipped through his fingers. But Kiyosaki didn't see these as setbacks. Instead, he saw them as lessons, as stepping stones to success. Over the years, Robert Kiyosaki has shared his wisdom and his strategies with the world. Today, we delve into the invaluable lessons from this financial guru, particularly his insights on investing in the stock market. One of the key principles that Kiyosaki advocates for is financial education. Unlike traditional schooling, financial education is about understanding money, its workings, and how one can make it work for them. As Kiyosaki famously said, the single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it's trained well, it can create enormous wealth. This underlines the importance of constant learning and understanding the financial world to make informed investment decisions. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of investing for cash flow, not for capital gains. He urges investors to focus on generating a steady income stream rather than hoping for a one-time payout. This principle is encapsulated in his words, "Don't work for money, make it work for you." It's about creating a sustainable wealth generation mechanism, not just a quick profit. Another principle that stands out in Kiyosaki's teachings is the concept of risk and reward. Contrary to popular belief, Kiyosaki suggests that avoiding risk altogether doesn't lead to success. Instead, he encourages understanding and managing risk. In his words, in investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable. It's about striking a balance, knowing when to take a leap of faith and when to hold back. Kiyosaki's perspective on assets and liabilities is another cornerstone of his financial philosophy. He defines an asset as something that puts money in your pocket, and a liability as something that takes money out of it. He suggests building and acquiring more assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses as a way to wealth. As he puts it, it's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Lastly, but perhaps most importantly, Kiyosaki teaches not to fear failure. He believes that each mistake is a step closer to success. He famously stated, "Winners are not afraid of losing, but losers are." Failure is part of the process of success. People who avoid failure also avoid success. It's a reminder that in the world of investing, setbacks are part and parcel of the journey to financial freedom. Financial freedom is not a state, it's a journey. And it's a journey that you too can embark on. Let's delve into the crux of the matter. How can you apply Robert Kiyosaki's principles in your own life? The answer is simpler than you might think. First and foremost, begin by shifting your mindset. Start viewing money not as an end, but as a means to an end. Now onto the practical stuff. Start investing. Yes, it might sound intimidating, especially if you're a novice, but remember, Kiyosaki himself began as a novice. The stock market isn't a beast to be feared, but a tool to be understood and harnessed. Investing is not just about throwing money blindly into stocks and hoping for the best. It's about educating yourself, understanding the market trends, and making informed decisions. And this is where Kiyosaki's principle of financial education comes into play. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts. Equip yourself with knowledge about how the stock market works. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Learn about risk management. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Risk. Investing does involve risk. But as Kiyosaki says, in the real world, the smartest people are people who make mistakes and learn. In school, the smartest people don't make mistakes. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are but stepping stones on your path to financial freedom. And finally, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your financial empire be. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. So what's stopping you? Start your journey today. Take that first step. Begin investing. Start learning. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. Like Robert Kiyosaki, you too can master the game of financial freedom with this wealth secrets. So remember, the path to financial freedom is not an easy one. It requires a shift in mindset, a commitment to learning, and the courage to persevere through failure. But as Kiyosaki has shown us, it is a journey worth embarking on. The road to financial freedom is paved with opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. So, are you ready to take the first step?